Welcome to Computer Science. Today I'm going to discuss about the importance of diagram in geography optional. So there is a lot of scope in geography to draw the diagram whenever you are supporting your answers, whenever you are writing the content. It's very important that you draw the diagram. Many of the students have this problem that their writing skills or maybe their drawing skills are not that good. So you don't have to worry about that. See, in geography optional, in your answers, especially the examiner is not looking at how well you are drawing. It's just that if you are drawing the diagrams, then whether they are easily understandable by the examiner, that's all they want to know. So how you can start the practice? Start drawing simple diagrams first and start drawing them, start labeling them. For example, if you are drawing the India map, then draw the simple silhouette of it. A simple diagram can also help you to understand, help you as well as your examiner to understand what you are drawing and what you are trying to explain. For example, if you have to describe certain mines, then you can describe it like that. If you are making a chart of leccolith or betholith, then draw the diagram. For example, if you are talking about more of the intrusive rocks, then a simple diagram like this can help you. Student asked that how they can increase their marks in geography optional. It is not only the content they can enrich, it is also what they are supporting, different complementary things they are adding into the answers. One of the most important complementary thing that they can add is the diagram, which actually helps the examiner to understand that the student knows, and it helps to reduce the word limit also. What you are explaining in many words, you can just put the diagram and you can explain that. Okay, for example, I have to tell about the betholith. So I'll be drawing a simple diagram like that. In this, you do not need a very good drawing skills. Just label it and draw certain features. Right? And write down the characteristics here. Next, what you can do not stop. Just don't draw it, also start labeling. Labeling is also very important. So what steps you can take? So whenever you are reading anything, for example, if you are reading about the rock structure, if you are reading about the different soils, if I talk about different soils, like you will do it in biogeography, like Chernozem. Chernozem is one of the soil type. Then you can tell that how the distribution of the Chernozem is there across the globe. So Chernozem. So what you can do, you can just give a brief description about this, right? How you can do, you can just give a brief description like how you Chernozems are found. So you can just explain and draw and label the diagram like that. The Chernozems are found in your America. Okay, that's how you can explain. Okay, so this is all about the importance of diagram in geography optional. If you are really looking for taking the geography optional, this is the right time, because till December your optional should be completed. As you know that in January and February the focus get inclined towards the prelims. So if you are really interested in joining the geography optional, come at Plutus and take the admission as soon as possible.